Hi guys, so I was asked if I can explain how to ensemble this Easter bunny. So what I can do now is just to tell you where you can sew everything, because I'm not gonna do another one. There is no point for me to do another one, so hopefully I'm gonna explain it well so you won't have any question. And I'm very sorry, next time I will try to make it more understandable. So we're gonna start with the ears. We're taking the ears into the head. Where is the eyes? You're counting three stitches up and 2 rows to the left. And we're starting from the second row. We're starting to sew the ears up to the 4th row from the eyes. So you're counting 1, 2, and you're starting from 3 stitches up to sew everything around. And exactly same on the other side. Now the head, we're sewing between the 3rd and 4th row. Here is the row where we finished, where we closed the body. So when you close the last 6 stitches, you're sewing everything together. You inserting the needle right in the middle between eyes, here in the needle, and you just stick it on the body on the 3rd and 4th row between them, and you sew everything around. So once you are happy with that, you take in the hands, and the hands must be attached to the chin. So something like that. So you're just taking any pins and pin them down here and just sew around to be symmetrical, more or less. The back leg, the back one, exactly same, just they have to be a little bit spread apart, so it's gonna be seated when you, something like that. So you just sewing them. I have sewn them from hands about 4 rows down, and between them is 3 stitches, and they must be a little bit apart, like to make sort of illusion that he's spreading his feet. The tail is right where we began our body. So you're starting from this row and up to the 3rd row, and to be symmetrical to the head, not aside or not into this. So you're taking just straight line from the top of the head right here. You just keep it there, and don't fill with nothing inside because it's already hard. And pretty much that's it. I hope I explained well. Again, I'm sorry for those who didn't understand. For me, I thought that it's pretty obvious, but maybe I don't know, more or less experienced than others. So I will try next time to show you more in details. Although I have to say it's very hard to crochet that. Alright, I hope I explained you as well as I could. Honestly, I don't know how to do better. Please forgive me. And just to add guys, thank you very much for your support and for your subscription. It means a lot for me. And if you're gonna leave any comment below how I did, that will be very much appreciated. And once again, thank you, and hopefully on the next tutorial I will do way better and you're gonna enjoy as I do. See you next time. Bye.